how to make font size bigger on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to make the font size bigger on Android devices. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Suppose to show the real or the current font size of your Android device, let's open the Notes application and write something on it. So I already am on this notes and I have written hi everyone. When I write the current font size is this much. So when you go back and open the settings on your Android device, you will see the option of display and brightness. Here you need to select font and then you need to select the font style as well if you wish. So it has a say to small. Simply use the slider of this font size and you can say to medium, large or very large as well of your choice. And once you have done that, select the apply button. Once you have done that, come back from this page and go to your notes. And as you can see that we have successfully made the font size bigger on Android. So that's how we do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.